All right, I'm gonna do Norman Wallace first. Mr. Wallace, can you have a seat,
Yes.
please? Okay, all right. Thank you. This is the matter of the people versus Norman Wallace. This is ticket number P119678. One count drove while license suspended. One count no proof of insurance. One count expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak. My bar number is P35225. I appear with Norman Wallace via Zoom. We have no objection. Mr. Wallace, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Norman E. Wallace.
Your Honor, after our discussion, Mr. Wallace would like to accept the offer from the city and tender a plea.
Is that right, Mr. Wallace?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wallace, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of what's called your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 6th of 2021. Were you driving a 1999 Dodge vehicle in the area of West Chicago and Penrose Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that, did you have your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wozak?
Yes, Judge, I am satisfied.
And the court is going to dismiss the 2 civil infractions with that and allow a plea of the amended count 1 to improper plates in this particular matter. Are you currently working, Mr. Wallace? Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you receive a source of income somehow or no?
Yeah, I get SSI.
Okay. Was this your vehicle you were driving?
Yes.
Okay. I usually assess a fine, sir, in the amount of $200. Is that something you would be able to pay if I gave you 90 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 90 days then to pay $200, okay? So it's gonna be due no later than February the 9th of 2022, okay? You can write that down.
I'm writing it down now. Thank you.
Is that enough time for you, Mr. Wallace?
February 9th.
Yes. 2022.
I got it.
Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Wallace. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
All right. Thank you. Miss Angela White, you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Angela White. This is ticket number P11968025. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak with Ms. White. We're present via Zoom and have no objection. Ms. White, would you tell the judge your name, please?
Yes, Angela White.
Your Honor, I've gone over the recommendation with my client. She would like to accept that recommendation.
Are you sure, Ms. White?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Ms. White, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, ma'am?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of May the 6th of 2021. Were you at that time driving a 2008 Chevy vehicle in the area of Greenfield and West 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have no insurance on it at the time?
Yes. No insurance.
All right. Satisfied?
Yes, Judge, I'm satisfied.
Is there stipulation for probable cause on the other misdemeanor to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge, we stipulate.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to amend count 2 to improper place and dismiss count 1 and 3 of this particular ticket. Ma'am, are you working currently?
Yes, part-time.
I'm gonna assess a fine in the amount of $200. If I give you 90 days, is that gonna be enough time to pay it?
Yes.
Okay. I know you're trying to get your license back. Is that gonna affect you trying to get your license back?
No, I got a Secretary of State appointment Wednesday.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna assess a fine of $200. I'm gonna make it due no later than February the 9th of 2022. So hopefully that doesn't do an unburdened hardship on you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. If there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Thank you, Ms. White.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Wagner, could you ask whoever that is not to walk back into the camera view? She's coming into the courtroom for, and she's being showed on YouTube, just so she knows.
Okay. He's being showed. She heard you.
Okay, all right. This is a matter of people versus Count Wagner. This is ticket number P1205785. One count leave scene of accident causing property damage. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon. I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of Mr. Wagner. We are present via Zoom and have no objection. Mr. Wagner, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Count Pierre Wagner.
Your Honor, with regard to Mr. Wagner's matters, he would like a bench trial date. He's going to get a copy of the incident report from Detroit Police Records, and hopefully that will improve his situation with the city attorney.
All right, so, Mr. Wagner, if you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself in this particular matter. Is that how you want to proceed, sir?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of February the 17th,
Okay.
2022 at 9 a.m. Hopefully that gives you enough time to get that work, the paperwork that the attorney told you about, okay? Zoom back in. It's going to be a Zoom hearing, but it's going to be in the morning at 9 a.m. and bring whatever paperwork that's necessary. You might want to also scan it in too, so you can send it. We'll give you an email address that day that you can forward the paperwork to us too, okay?
Thank you.
All right, no problem. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And we'll see you back on that day of February the 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're so, have a good day, okay? And tell your person thank you for.
All right.
No, thank you. All right, have a good day. All right, thank you, Mr. Thomas Williams. You can unmute yourself. Thank you for your patience. All right, you ready? This is the matter of the people versus Thomas Williams. This is ticket number P1201334. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon. I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of Mr. Williams. We appear via Zoom and have no objection. Mr. Williams, will you tell the judge your name, please?
My name is Thomas Williams.
Your Honor, after our discussions, he's decided he'd like to accept the offer from the city attorney.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, Mr. Williams. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand about taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 17th, 2021. Are you in the area of Telegraph and Keeler Streets in the city of Detroit driving a 2009 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it?
No.
Satisfied, Attorney Wazak?
Yes, Judge, I am satisfied.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
We do stipulate.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper place on count 1 and dismiss count 2 on this ticket. Mr. Williams, what are you doing currently for employment?
I work at Garden Theater part-time.
Okay. Are you in school or anything?
No.
Okay. Mr. Williams, I'm gonna impose a fine today in the amount of $200. If I give you 90 days, is that enough time for you to be able to pay it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until February the 9th of 2022 to have that completely paid. Okay, so by next year, but if you can make payments on it, don't forget. I asked all those questions because I looked at how old you were. I'm trying to figure out what you were doing. Get your license.
I got my license.
Oh, you got your license now?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, you just didn't have that day with no car insurance. Work on getting those things, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. We'll see you later, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.